Hello everybody, it is Matt Swires again, author of The Maverick Method, How to Win the Startup Game, and founder of the Trademark Company. And today we're continuing with our series on top 10 rules for startup success. Rule number 2, make it legal. All right, so you've got your product now. Hopefully it's a product that you've done a little bit of beta testing on and you know it's going to be successful and that there is a market for your product. Your launch is imminent at this point and you're getting excited. But listen, before that you do these things, there are a couple things that you need to do to just simply make it legal that's going to protect you in the long run. And the first and most important one that you need to do to make it legal is to make sure that you form a corporation or an LLC to run your business through, all right? LLCs are so simple to form. They are the preferred method to basically run a business. Don't just do it as a sole proprietorship. Why? An LLC or corporation for that matter, corporations are a little bit more complex than LLCs, have a lot more draconian rules to deal with. But an LLC, which is the preferred method to go for a small business, is going to provide you with a liability shield for your business against your personal assets. Let me say that in another way. In essence, it's going to protect your personal assets. If you have a home, if you have a car, if you have personal bank accounts, from your business liabilities. Now, business liabilities can be anything from your business bills, your debts, or whatnot. God forbid your business not do as well as you hope, and that we all hope it does. But these things happen. Or even if someone, if you run a storefront and someone slips and falls in your business and then sues you for personal injury, that LLC, that business, if you're running it through the business or a corporation, is going to protect your home, your assets, your personal assets apart from the business stuff. So number one, it's very, very simple to do. There are companies that specialize this. Even a company that I'm of course associated with, the Trademark Company, can point you in the right direction or help you form an LLC probably in just a couple hours and such. But just please make it legal and form that corporation. Number two, make sure to protect your trademarks, okay? Your trademark is your business's most important asset, all right? It is how your consumers will identify you, will be able to see what your products and services are in the marketplace. Without a protected trademark, a secured trademark, then anyone else can adopt a similar trademark, and once you start getting that market share, they can basically come in and just, in essence, start stealing it from you if they adopt a trademark that's very similar to yours. And we don't want that to happen. So what you want to do is, number one, make sure whatever you're going to call your brand, your trademark, is available itself. Make sure, search, make sure no one else is using something that's moderately similar already, because then you could be in the position of being the infringer. Even though you came up with it yourself, you think you came up with it yourself, you want to make sure it's what we call clear in the trademark industry. Make sure that it is available. And once it is available, then go ahead and protect it. Again, the favorite method of protecting it is by getting a trademark through an NFT. Again, the Trademark Company can help you out with that if you would like. But that is the preferred method of actually protecting your trademark this day and age, unless of course you're going to sell on the Amazon brand registry, and then you go back to the niche, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, and they can help you out as well to get that trademark secured. And then finally, think about, is there anything that I can protect that is particular to my business? Is there anything I can copyright? Is there anything that I can patent? Patents tend to protect more inventions. Of course, there's some higher level stuff with chemicals, plant patents, and all that sort of stuff. But if you have a sort of a unique way of doing business or an invention, it may be able to be protected by a patent. If you get the patent, that's going to secure you more of a monopoly in the way you do business on a go-forward basis. If you never patent it, however, then anyone else can sort of adopt that exact same thing. For instance, one of the most famous business method patents that didn't occur, that they did not trademark, or rather patent, is, imagine if many, many years ago, the person who invented the drive-thru, and I'm going to tell you it was McDonald's, but it probably wasn't, but if they had actually patented the business method of providing food through a little teeny window after people give you cash, they could have actually patented the drive-thru. And think of what a competitive advantage that would have given them over, Burger King or Chick-fil-A or anyone else, throughout time. So if there's anything that you think that is so unique to your business that you've created for your business, you may be able to actually patent that, okay? Copyrights is another aspect, of course. Copyrights is obviously if you're going to be an author and you're selling your book, get it copyrighted. But if you have computer software, it can be copyrighted. There's so many things that can be copyrighted. Again, if you're a photographer, an artist, copyright your original works of artistic expression. Make sure that you secure them before you start putting them out on the internet and whatnot for sale. Okay, so again, rule number 2 of the top 10 rules for winning the startup game is make it legal. Make sure that you have a corporation or an LLC to run your business through. Make sure that your trademarks are protected and that they're clear before you start using them. And if there's anything else that you can protect that is unique to your business, patents and copyrights, make sure that gets done as well. Listen, for these and more helpful videos, hopefully you find them helpful, hit smash the like button, okay, for me, and you will get notified when we put out more videos. We put out probably 1 or 2 a day right now. But then also, if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, or things that you want us to address from a business context, throw them down in the comments. We'll be happy to address them. All right. Again, thanks for watching. And as always, there's a lot more about this in the actual book, The Maverick Method, How to Win the Startup Game. Pick up a copy today. It's pretty informative, if I do say so myself. Thanks again for watching. Take care.